So coffee picking. Did you guys know that coffee actually doesn't look like roasted coffee when it's on the tree or green? It's actually a cherry. It's a red cherry. So when it comes to the harvesting time, we send our pickers to the fields and they hand select the cherries one by one at a time. Another factor, why are we so different from most coffee growing regions? So a lot of the coffee countries out there, what they do is they send this huge, gigantic machine to the coffee fields and they shake off the trees and they let that fall to the ground and then they bring these big, powerful vacuums and they vacuum and they suck all the coffee off the ground. So you're not only getting your coffee beans, you're also getting twigs, you're getting dirt, you're getting leaves, all these other things that add a negative flavor to your coffee. So they add what we call taints in the coffee industry. That's another one of the many reasons why our coffee is so great, because we hand select, hand pick the coffee cherries one by one. Our people, they go 3 rounds per harvest time. So now, the cherries are not going to, ripen all at the same time. So we send our workers 3 times, 3 rounds to make sure that we get that nice red cherry bean. Some companies, some farms, they don't care about this. They go one sweep because it's more cost effective and they just pick all the coffee cherries, whether it's green, whether it's, a mix of green and red. We don't do that. We make sure that we get the nice red cherry every time we go per round. Make sure to tune in, hit that like button, click the link below and subscribe to our channel, as we will keep releasing these beautiful and amazing videos. Thank you so much.